Good itch on
Why
his
that
back.
spot?
Scratching his back.
All right, we got video now. Anybody want a commentary?
Mm-mm.
I'll send it to you.
I'm so happy I found a new home.
Come scratch my balls.
Oh, nice. I got to have that on the video now. Now I can't send that to any of the kids, see?
This damn smoke got my way.
For the children.
Come scratch my balls.
Oh, he does it again now, too, just to irritate me. I guess I got to edit that out.
There you go. He's pissed.
Like, I'm ready, Heath. I'm ready.
He's bitch,
Come
man.
and get me, big
The
boy.
smoke, man.
Oh,
Fucked up,
yeah.
but Still,
Give it a little ambiance.
yeah.
Go ahead, wag the tail. That's my favorite. Wag the tail.
Wag it.
That's a good picture.
Wag it.
That one came up good.
There we go. There you go. Go, boy.
Yeah, you should be embarrassed.
You're going home with Heath. That's pretty cool.
I'm glad you guys found each other.